Hi, today we're on Math, Chapter 8, Lesson 3. It's called Non-Standard Measurement. So we're going to learn how to measure things using other types of objects. We're going to start today with a paper clip. Now there are two kinds of paper clips you might have at home, the long kind and the short kind. We're going to try to use the short ones today. I'm going to show you how to lay these out, starting with an end point, that's our beginning, and how to measure an item, just a regular household item, by laying out non-standard units. That's going to be our paper clips. So in your book, you might notice that they used cubes. And remember, we have lots of cubes at school, but I did not have any cubes here at home. So I'm going to take my first object, which is going to be a regular fork, and I'm going to lay it down, and I'm going to use my paper clips, and I'm going to line them up to show you approximately, remember approximately means about, how many paper clips it took to measure my fork. So I'm going to go ahead and start lining those up. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Now I see there's a little bit of room left over, but if I'm using approximately, then I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paper clips to show me the length of this fork. 6 paper clips. Now if I put another one down, it's going to be way past the fork. So I'm going to not use that one, and I'm going to say that my fork measured approximately 6 non-standard units using paper clips. I'm going to take my next object, which is just a playing card, and I'm going to lay it down, and I'm going to use those same paper clips. And let's see how many. I line it up with the same endpoint. 1, 2, and 3. Now I went just a tiny bit past, but I'm going to say that 3 paper clips were the measurement for this playing card. So my non-standard unit was 6 for the fork and only 3 for the playing card. Now, I'm going to try one more, so I'm going to move my fork and playing card out of the way. And I found a book. Right, now I want to measure the length of the book, so that's going to be from top to bottom. So I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to lay these out, and then I will show you. So I'm going to use 2 hands. 1, 2, 3. I had to start at the end point. 4, 5, 6. That's what the fork was. 7, and 8. Let me show you. 8 paper clips to measure the book. All right, now there are other ways of measuring with non-standard units, and you'll see on your homework page that another non-standard unit they used was a penny. So I thought I might try measuring this glue stick. I'm going to lay it down because I want to see the length of it. Hopefully it won't roll away. And I'm going to use pennies, so I'm going to put 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, 5 pennies. I don't know, maybe approximately 6 pennies. Should we try it with the paper clips just to see if it's more or less? Start at the same end point. 1, 2, 3, ooh, 4 might be a little too many, but which one had more non-standard units? The penny had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the paper clips were 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4. So why do you think they were different? If you said it was because of the size of the non-standard unit, you were correct. Let's see the difference. A paperclip is longer than a penny. All right, so today in your book, it does tell you to measure using cubes. But since we don't have those cubes at home, you're going to use paper clips. As you write your answers, make sure you are showing me those by using paper clips. If you really have trouble finding enough paper clips, try pennies, try something else, but make sure to write on your paper what you used for your non-standard measurement. All right, thank you. See you soon.